What is AAA test? AAA test is a technique used by software developer as well as quality assurance engineers to write tests. This is the way for others to understand how things were managed, how a test is split into three different parts. So A is for arrange, then next one is for act, then third one is assert. So first we arrange the required things for the test, and then we perform the action or operation, and then we assert to assure different value. So I have here a very simple example of a unit test. So this is a very simple test. Which consists of three parts. We can see here the first part is the arrangement. We are arranging the initial value, or we are providing the required value for our test. So that's how where we prepare. Then we perform the action. This is the basic operation. We make a call to an API or a certain function which is under test. So that's the action. So based on the action we get certain results, or certain events or operation happen within the system. And third, we assert, we verify if the result value, or if the result is according or as per our expectation. If it is, then this will successfully pass the test, otherwise it will simply fail the test. So we can also, instead of AAA test, we can say that we are writing the test in given, when, then form. In given, we just arrange everything, or that's what the provided values are. When an action is performed, then after the operation we verify certain thing. So that's the simple AAA test. Thank you. Bye.